got another one. See, she's young yet. I can't do a whole hell of a lot with her. I got another launcher over here. Come on, Cricket! Find that bird? Huh? Go! She wants to keep going back to that one. The good thing about this is, too, is I plant these birds, then she should generally figure out that the birds are where I'm at. I'm just going to let her run around. Cricket! Come on! Hey! Come on! Come on! There might be a bird over here, girl. What are you doing? We're right in the wind. There might be a bird over here. Don't pay attention to me. Look at that. What a good girl! What a good girl! 2 birds in a launcher, huh? Good job! Good job! Atta girl! Let her go have fun now.